infinite source, truth, wisdom, and knowledge only, not what I think or believe, not my subconscious. Show us what we need to complete this next phase, this dimension. With this breath and the power of this now moment, the universe is showing us the Page of Pentacles. I think great wealth is coming to us. Page of Pentacles. The Page of Pentacles represents inspiration and ambition. It signifies the energy and motivation needed to succeed. And Wheel of Fortune at the bottom of the deck. That is true abundance. The Wheel of Fortune. The Wheel of Fortune reminds us that life is always in flux. There are many symbols on this card representative of dozens of life cycles we experience. There is an aspect of the Wheel of Fortune that foretells good luck and success. The Wheel of Fortune encourages optimism and faith that the universe will grant a good outcome. The universe is unpredictable and sometimes chaotic, but will take care of us if we are open to it.